this is rated PG, rated by MTRC because so lahat po ng kapamilya na kaibigan. Pwede tayo manood with Marvel again September 24. Showing on September 24, isang daang bulaklak para kay Luna. Approved. There we go. Thank you, boys. We'll see you inside. Picture muna kayo dito. Ayan, barkada approved. Imagine yung group chat. This is me. Okay. Anyway, hi, boys. You want to introduce yourself first to everyone, one by one, para mas makilala nila kayo lahat. Let's start with you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Rafael Juristy. What's coming up? My name is Bruce. Hi guys, I'm Steph.
I'm Marco.
There we go. What's up? Wow. Can I just say, Lance and Aubrey, you both look expensive. Promise! No, I'm not kidding. Pero Lance, bilang parte ka ng pelikula na minamahal, sino ka dito, without spoiling anything of course, sino ka dito at ano yung role mo? Who are you?
My name here is Eugene. I'm gonna play as Eugene and I'm gonna be the...
the what? The what? Tell us!
Basta I'm gonna be part of the college era ni Luna. Yun lang muna.
Yun mo na for now.
Yun
mo na, Eugene. Pero, kasama mo si Aubrey to support you. Halika, Orbs! Ano feeling mo na mapanood mo na siyempre si Lance sa big screen?
Siyempre, I'm proud of him. Sabi nga ng first...
Sabi mo sa kanya.
I'm proud of you. Kasi first time niya, first movie mo, no? Tapos, first time niya mapapanood sa niya sa big screen. So,
oh, really?
Yeah, really happy for him. Really excited. And of course, congratulations sa'yo. Of course, congratulations kay Ashley at kay Andres sa successful movie. And of course, kay Direk JP.
Yes, of course. Maraming salamat, guys. Imbitahan nyo sila September 24 to watch Minamahalan Cinemas nationwide. Kita nyo yun?
Okay guys, September 24, it's finally gonna be shown nationwide in cinemas. Minamahal, starring Ashley Noviga and Andres Bulag. So panood nyo po and I know you guys are gonna love it.
Yes. Are you gonna love it, Aubrey? Turn to the photo wall, ladies and gents. Smile 1, 2. Grabe. All eyes on these two. Aubrey! Hello! Aubrey! Grabe yung katito na yun ah! Na para bang... Lance bilang isang aktor na parte ng pelikulang Minamahal and Aubrey to support her Lance. Wow! The crowd is there!
Hindi ko I can't hide it. Like talaga po kanina po akong excited talaga. Like I can't wait to see the film. Yung mga emotions na lalabas mamaya, hindi ko po alam kasi first time ko po talaga to watch this movie and I'm excited. Thank you po so much for everybody here right now and I love you all. Thank you.
We love you. Isang bulaklak para kay Luna. Hashtag Minamahal movie and hashtag Arsenal Liga, hashtag Andres Bulag. I see you over there. Sam Melody official. Hello, you guys. Cute. Oh my gosh, wow! Guys, you're seeing right now, Ashton and Andres. Guys, batiin nyo muna silang lahat tonight. Ashton!
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat!
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for everyone. Thank you for being here tonight. It means a lot and we really appreciate it.
Yes, kahit maulan, nandito kayo, sinusuportahan kami. Maraming salamat po.
Umulan bumagyo, ayos lang. Ayos lang. Guys, kanina po sila nandyan para supportahan kayo. They've been waiting for hours just to see you. Finally, you are here. Andres, how does it feel that later, seconds from now, mapapanood mo na yung Minamahal? How do you feel about it?
Ayun nga, it's surreal, you know. I really can't believe everything that's happening or everything that's happened in the last few months. And really, to everyone that has supported us along the journey and supported me and supported Ash along the ride, thank you so much. We're just appreciative to be here.
Beautiful. Ang ganda na sinabi mo, thank you to everyone who supported you along the ride. Kasi it's really a beautiful ride. Now, Ash, wow, is this your first film? Ashton and Andres! Oh my gosh, wow! Guys, as a lead, oh, really? How do you feel right now? You are the lead sa sarili mong pelikula. How do you feel, Ash?
Wala, hindi ako makapaniwala pa rin hanggang ngayon. Hindi pa rin lahat nagsisink in. Pero mas nararamdaman ko ngayon yung pagmamahal at suporta ng bawat isa na nandito. Nawala talaga lahat ng pagod na nararamdaman namin this past few days na dahil sa mga sigawan nyo. Kaya thank you so much po.
Yes, maraming salamat for those very kind, beautiful words. Pero tawagin muna natin siyempre, Direk JPL. Yes, join us here on stage, Direk. Welcome, Direk. Ayan, grabe. Direk, any early message para sa dalawang ito?
Ginit nga na ako, gagawin na naman nila akong meme.
Direk, kasama mo ako sa laban na to.
Ano yan? Sorry.
Kasama mo ako sa laban na to.
Ano yung tanong mo?
Hindi, ano yung mensahe mo para kay Andres and Ashton? Ngayon nandito na sila.
Ayun, this is just the beginning. As in literal, this is just the beginning kasi nakikita ko, ang dami nyo pang gagawin. After nito, mapa-series man or movie, so kung ano man yung attitude na meron kayo nitong ginagawa natin itong pelikula, dalhin nyo lang at go pa.
No, maraming salamat, Direk. And I'm sure lahat ng mga tao mamahalin tong pelikula kay Ashton and Andres. Guys, sabi ko nga sa kanila, everything that you're seeing right now, this is a manifestation. Now, when you really want something, all the universe conspires to help you achieve it. And of course, it's a blessing from God. Diba? So, wow, segundo mo lang ngayon, mapapanood natin ang blockbuster artists na ito na talagang bibida sa business that you guys are yet to make. Now, Andres, imbitaan mo silang lahat September 24 to watch your film.
Yes, I'm inviting you all to watch Minamahal, Isang Daan Bulaklak para kay Luna. Written and directed by Direct Jason Paul Lacsemana. In cinemas, September 24, nationwide.
Let's go! How about you, Ash?
Minamahal, Isang Daan Bulaklak para kay Luna. This September 24 na po yan. This Wednesday. Sana po supportahan nyo. Thank you so much po.
There we go. Cams, can I just say ngayon? Ashton also, grabe ka. You are like a princess tonight. Grabe. Yun yung prince mo. Anyway, thank you so much. Guys, sa lahat mo ng mga ticket holders natin, you can now go inside the cinemas for now. Picture muna tayo. There we go. Again, cinema ticket holders, pasok na po tayo. Thank you, Ash, Andres, and of course, the brains and hearts of this film na Minamahal, Direct JPL.